guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our bamboo pattern. This one is kind of a pain in the butt for me because it was rolled on our main roll backwards, so it wants to dive into the water. But when you order from us, we always roll it onto your cord the right way so it doesn't take a dive in the water. Good grief. That should be good enough. Alright. This is a 50 centimeter. We don't have a lot of 50 centimeter. Gosh, I don't even know if we have any 50 centimeter wood grains left. Maybe a couple. This is, we call it dark brown. It looks, because it is a dark brown, but it has almost like a transparency to it. So it was just really hard to name this one. So hopefully you'll get a better feel for it on a speed shape. We're going to dip it to a white speed shape. If you, well, we'll see how it turns out. I'm betting if you want a true bamboo look, you're not going to want to dip it on a white base, but we'll see. We are using Hydrographics Activator, the 1 minute soak time. This is our mini tank. We are currently, it's February 2017. Right now we are out of stock on these particular tanks, but this video might not release for another month or two. By the time you see this video, we may have them back in stock, so if you're interested, just give us a call. That is bamboo. Yeah, I would probably not recommend a white. Maybe like a light tan for that to get you more of a bamboo. It has a bamboo pattern, not necessarily the coloring with a white base. So again, that's personal preference. That is a 50 centimeter. So 3 meters starts at $21 and that's shipped to your door. And that obviously will be in the wood grain section. Of course, that's at kansashydrographics.com. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.